Alright guys, welcome back in the garage. The bad boys are lined up, and today we are going to continue on with the Austin racing theme, because yes, I got myself some NCAN, so we're going to do a swap, test, science, weigh, sound shit, and get these piece of shit off and get some nice Austin racing cans that I bought. So let's go over to the bench. Look at the fucking size of this box. Let's get these bad boys opened up. Now that is what I call well packaged. At least the kids will love that bubble wrap. Yes, look at that. Look at them. Packaged up, stocked up nicely, and we've got the little DB killers in there with loads of instructions and stickers and stuff. So I think it's time for the scales. So that's what one NCAN weighs, just 1.3. And the second one, yeah, around about 1.3. A few grams heavier. Right, let's open up the instructions. So we've got the DB killers. Got the little screws for the DB killers. We've got some gold heat reflective tape to go on the bottom of the fairing. Stickers that go there, spare ones. We've got some stickers as well to stick everywhere. I'll stick one on the toolbox. And we got some brackets plus some spacers and the instructions. So seems straightforward. Let's take it outside and get some stock sounds from the stock exhaust as a comparison. So I've just got the mic set up there, just a little bit away from the exhaust, from the back of the bike, and we're just going to start it and see what happens. So fitting is straightforward. We've got to take this panel off. I think there's one there, one underneath or something. And all we've got to do is remove these springs. Underneath there is a little bolt. Take that off, put the other thing back on, and then stick the tape underneath the fairing. So let's do that. Just to give you a little idea, I've actually removed the heat shield, and then I removed the seat so I could get to the heat shield, to that bolt there. And then so that gives me better access to this, because that's locked up, red Loctited in there, so it's so stiff. So I'm having to use a bit of leverage. So make sure you guys do that. Don't round the bolts. So let's weigh the stock one. That is 2.3 kilos. Bloody hell, that's a fair bit. And the other one is about the same, 2.3 kilos as well. So that's a fair wedge there. So just line it up. Push this in a fair bit. You might need to twist it up and down a little bit just to get it to sit in nicely, and then line it up. Obviously this moves left and right a little bit, so you can line it up perfect. So I've just threaded it in a little bit, and then I can tighten that back up. So I've put the gold tape on the inside, and obviously when that goes back is underneath there, underneath that top bit of the exhaust. And just like that, one side is on. Look at that, looking good. Colours match, you know. And this side is on now, back on. Looks good, mate. Looks good. I'm liking the look of that. So let's go outside and do some testing, and we'll do one loud, and then we'll get the baffles and fit it in and see what it's like. So we're back outside, same setup. Woo! Now it is considerably louder. Wow. Right, baffles are in, just screwed in, nice and simple. See what the sound says. Right, it's a bit quieter, yeah? Still sounds fruity. So that concludes install. Nice and easy. And it looks the business. None of that silver shit. It looks black and red, black and red. So that concludes the install. Nice and Gucci. Obviously, I am wearing a matching Gucci merchandise. And by no means is this video being sponsored by Austin Racing. I have bought this with my hard-earned money. I can show you the receipt if I need to. Gucci equipment, Gucci gear. Get yourselves to Austin Racing websites. Get this exhaust. It's fucking awesome. Right, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, do all the usual stuff. Catch you later.